welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have an exciting unboxing slash review plus giveaway to include for you guys. For today's video, we're switching it up a little bit. I'm gonna be talking about a product that I normally would not have talked about on my channel before, and not because it's not something that I would use, it's just something that I guess I had never actually tried. So when I first started my makeup journey, I obviously used a lot of the brands, and I still use brands that are super hyped up, really popular, find at Sephora and Ulta and stuff like that. In the last couple of months or so, I feel like I've been trying to test the waters a little bit more with like clean beauty, stuff like that. And one of the biggest questions I get on Instagram all the time is if I use clean beauty, if I recommend any clean beauty products or anything like that. So I feel like because you guys were asking for it so much, I should test the waters. I should delve into that realm more, just because it was something that I had never really, I guess, purchased or used before. And that's not to say that I had never wanted to do clean beauty. It's not to say that I don't like clean beauty products or brands. Quite the opposite, actually. I'm a person that I will try anything and use anything as long as it's good. A lot of products are incorporating more products like these into their makeup lines, but as of right now, I still feel like it's more of like an up and coming kind of thing. And unfortunately, I myself have not come across a lot of clean beauty products that I really truly like and truly advocate. And that's the main reason why I had never talked about them on my channel. Like I said, a bunch of you guys had been asking for recommendations for clean beauty, where to find clean beauty and stuff. So when I got in contact with this brand, it just like fit perfectly to me myself be able to try out some clean beauty products and be able to recommend some clean beauty products for you guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be partnering with Good Being to give away one of their subscription services boxes to you guys. So at the end of this video, I will have all of the things you need to do to enter the giveaway. If you guys have been interested in testing out more clean beauty products, if you guys are looking solely for clean beauty products, or if you guys just want to try out the subscription service, here is a way for you guys to get a free box for yourself. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Good Being December box. I know this box is later, but that's because I actually partnered with them for this video and I got my box a little bit later. So that's why it's at the beginning of the month of last month. But I'm going to be unboxing their Good Being December box. I have not seen what's inside. I have not looked at any of their social media. So it'll be like a first impressions for you guys. And if I've tried any of these products, I will give you a mini review on my thoughts. It is a personalized clean beauty and wellness subscription service that you get monthly or on a monthly basis. And in each box, you receive 4 to 5 personalized products. And from that 4 or 5, you actually get to pick 2, which is different than other subscription services. Most subscription services have 2 like different subscription box options, and then you either get one or the other and you don't really get to pick. It's kind of cool that each month you get to pick 2 products that you know will come in that box, or the ones that you think are the most interesting. And then every box is worth a value of $45 or more. The cool thing about Good Being is that they have 2 different options. So like I said, most subscription services is like one set subscription box, and that's what everybody kind of gets. With Good Being, you can actually pick whether you want. Your focus is obviously going to include makeup, skincare, hair care products, whereas lifestyle products are going to include some beauty, some like wellness supplements, otherwise some like non-toxic living goods. So like things for the house, air fresheners, deodorants, and stuff like that. I actually chose the beauty subscription service just because I am more interested in trying out more clean beauty products that hopefully I can recommend to you guys. And my channel is more about beauty than it is lifestyle, so I just thought that would be more fitting. But each box is $24.95 a month, so technically $25 a month, and each month you're gonna pick 2 products that you for sure want to try out. The value of the box is always estimated to be $45 or more. So that's just kind of a little bit of how the subscription service works. Any other subscription service, you just sign up, you take a quiz, and the Good Being quiz is actually very detailed. I think it was like 5 pages or something, which sounds like a lot, but it is very detailed. At least the beauty one that I took for like skin preferences, oily versus like dry, or if you have like really crinkly hair, or if it's wavy or if it's straight and stuff like that. And in a way, I feel like that's almost kind of a good thing, just because it really kind of personalizes the box to you. So obviously you're not going to get a shampoo that's meant for straight thin hair if you have really thick and curly hair, which sometimes can be an issue with like mass production of subscription services boxes. So that's really good. It is a little bit more personalized, and it does take a little bit more of your feedback into account, which is very, very nice if you are very picky about the things you get in your subscription service. You can cancel at any time, which is also good. It's like on a month-to-month basis. One thing I really love about subscription services overall is that it allows you to try out new products without having to pay so much for them. Also a really good way to build your makeup either kit or collection at home if, like I said, you want to try out a lot of beauty products but you just don't have the funds to go ahead and buy every single one of these products individually. So let's just go ahead and get started on the unboxing, and then after that I will list all of the giveaway entry requirements that you need if you guys are interested in getting your own Good Being box. As suspected, you do get some inserts with coupons. This first one is for Yoga Club. You get a free outfit with your first 3 boxes. So if you guys are into yoga, that might be a good one for you. And then on the back of this Good Being card, it does list all of the brands that have special offers. So these are special offers for all members only. So diving into the first thing I see here is this little guy. It's the Bright and Easy 3-minute Flash Mask by Ursa Major. It's a gentle but oh so effective flash enzyme mask, which works wonders to enhance the skin's tone, elasticity, luminosity, and firmness. It actually sounds so amazing. Anything with firmness, skin toning, elasticity, I'm all about. I'm like in the mode of preventative care because I'm in my later 20s right now. So this sounds awesome. And I love how it comes in this small packaging. It's really just compact, so it doesn't take up so much space. Just use it once and then you're done. So I'm really excited to try this out. This is from the brand Ursa Major, and this is the Bright and Easy 3-minute Flash Mask. It has like these little confetti things in here. Next thing I see is the Unifill Concealer. This is the shade Light number 5, and this one is actually the product that I selected because like I told you guys, you can pick 2 products per box that you are interested in trying out. It comes like this really nice glass frosted packaging. When you open it up, it looks like this. This reminds me so much of the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and that's kind of why I wanted to try it out. I think I have heard of the brand Unifill as well. I've heard that their foundations are very good and they are clean beauty. So I was interested to see how this one would work out. Like I said, this reminds me of the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and I love that as like a eyelid primer, so I thought I would definitely try this one out. And just finding a good concealer that's not too thick, especially underneath the eye, which is a very sensitive area. Anything that's clean, non-toxic, long-lasting, or anything like that, I am all about. So I'm excited to try this little guy out. In here we have the GV Body Butter. This is infused with magnesium, and this is in the scent Chocolate. And when you open it up, you get this big tin right here. Oh my god, this smells exactly like chocolate. It smells exactly like chocolate. Oh, and it's like really soft and moussey when you apply it on the skin. Oh, it's like a thick consistency, but it like dissolves. It's weird. Like it's almost like moussey kind of feeling, and then when it goes on the skin, it's like thick and quenching. This smells exactly like chocolate. Exactly like chocolate. I think I've heard of the brand GV as well. They are supposed to make really good skincare products like moisturizers and whatnot. This one has aloe vera juice, cocoa butter, shea butter, citrus fiber, comfrey root, vitamin E, and aspen bark in the ingredients. Like I said, it smells, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells exactly like chocolate. So I'm gonna want to lick it. It smells really good. Products in here, we have the Michelle Dermaceuticals. This is the wrinkle spot treatment with anti-aging. This is vegan and cruelty-free. I'm in the preventative mode of like, I want to try anything anti-aging, toning, skin quenching, whatever it is, I want it on my skin, especially my face and my neck, because the neck is the first part that people start noticing when you're wrinkling up. But this is for the eyes, perfect for preventing crow's feet, like a deluxe sample size, but this is supposed to firm, lift, and smoothen. So I'm excited to try this guy out. I've never tried anything from them, but like I said, anything wrinkle lifting, firming, whatever, I want it on my skin. And the last thing here is from a brand called Bonnie. This is the oatmeal milk and honey soak with mineral rich sea salt, and I think this was the other product that I tried out too. It's supposed to be really good for your body, really good for like your feet, like a foot soak and stuff like that. So I wanted to try this guy out. I'm kind of biased. I saw that it was made in Chicago, so I'm like, oh, that's my hometown. Let me try it out. I never heard of the brand Bonnie, but I know soaks are supposed to be so good for your skin, like I said, for your feet, and just any part of your body that really needs extra TLC, especially with the winter months and me living in a very cold state. This is gonna work so well. So I'm excited to try that stuff out, but I'm actually genuinely excited to try every single one of these and hopefully be able to discover more clean beauty products that I could recommend to you guys in future videos. Now moving on to the giveaway part, I'm gonna make it super easy. If you guys wanna win your own Good Being box, all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite product that I unboxed. Let me know if you've tried out a clean beauty brand, if you have heard of clean beauty, if you want to incorporate it more, why you like it, why you don't like it. Any comment you guys want to leave, just let me know down in the comments that you want to enter for the giveaway. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and that's it. And I will have the start date and the official finish date there. If you guys are interested in signing up for the Good Being subscription service, in addition to trying to win your own box, make sure you guys hit the link down below. I will have a link to their site, and I will also have a link to their FAQ if you guys want to find out any more information that I didn't provide, or just check out their frequently asked questions. So I will leave that down for you guys. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is linked down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.